Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am going to share a homemade dental paste to treat your affected teeth and gum. Among all the things that might cause a toothache, the most common are tooth decay, inflammation of the tooth pulp, an abscess, a cracked or impacted tooth, gum disease and sensitive teeth. Whatever the cause of your teeth pain or teeth worm, try this simple home remedy to treat it. If you will use this remedy on regular basis, you will get rid of all these problems permanently. For this remedy, you will need 100% natural ingredients. Take baking soda 2 tablespoons, dry neem leaves powder half teaspoon, clove powder half teaspoon, coconut oil 1 tablespoon, peppermint oil 10 drops. Add all the ingredients in a small glass bowl. Mix well, save in a clean jar. Use this mix to brush your teeth daily. Keep using until you get your desired results. It helps to kill teeth worms, remove plaque and make your teeth stronger. Thanks for watching.